from the Seesaw 201 class was how can I share the daily check-in so that I don't have to post a new activity every day. I shared something as an idea of how to do it in the session itself that I found out later is probably not the best because it would not date and timestamp each time the students answered. We shared a daily check-in that was a full calendar page, and they would just do a draft each day and drag the check-in of how the student is feeling over to the calendar and put it on that date. But that would not give us a date stamp of when the entire calendar was filled out. The Seesaw updates did happen last night, so now we have a new option of how to do a daily check-in where they don't have to post a new activity every day, and it will give it a date or time stamp. So I'm going to go ahead and post student work, and I'm just going to upload a photo of a daily check-in that I borrowed from one of the teachers. It's not an activity, it's just going to be a post. And I'm going to have it be available to everyone because I do want anyone who joins my class to still see this post. So I'm going to leave it checked for all students in this class. It'll go to all of these students, but it would also go to all students that add to my class at a later time. And I hit the green check mark. I could make a new folder for it. I haven't used purple, so we'll do that. And then I hit the check mark. Now this post is right now at the top of my journal feed, but if I don't change it, it'll disappear. It'll move down as each new student adds things to the journal. With the update last night, we do have a new option now, and that's called Pin to the Top. So I'm going to click on my three dots right here to make changes to how this post appears, and I'm going to click Pin to the Top. And then no matter what, this post is going to stay at the top of my journal feed all the time. Other posts that arrive in the student journals will go below this. Now what I have to do is teach my students how to copy and edit this post each day. So I maybe could put a comment on here. So the students would click here, they would click on copy and edit. The picture would appear, so then they're going to choose their tool. They're going to circle how they feel. Having a great day this morning, so I'm going to circle this. And I hit the check mark. In my class, since the students can all see their own work and I'm signing in differently than students will, I have to pick the name. The student most likely would not need to do that because they are signed in to their own account. And then this is pinned, so it's going to stay at the top. Here's the one that I just submitted, and it shows my morning check-in with how I feel each day. If the teacher comes, they can click on the class journal. They could go to daily check-ins, and it would show all the check-ins for that day. The one at the top that I've posted plus all the other students' check-ins.